very foggy morning. As you can see, fog all over the place. When you're walking in the woods, you move slowly and don't make any sharp moves. That's what attracts attention a long ways off. Now what we're doing is we're going to go up here to this tree where I saw this woodpecker at, Ivory Bill Woodpecker. You'll be able to see from the markings that it's actually come up here and ate. So, what I've done is I put feed down here mixed with fruit. And I've actually put fruit up here, as you can see, in different points. So, something to bring it here. And you can see where it's been working. The wood all the way up and down. So you can see this is fresh, and I've actually put some fruit in that too, seeds and whatnot. So we have fruit and seeds at the very bottom, right here, if you can see, right there. And this is how high it was, right about in here. So we continue onward in search of the elusive Ivory Bill Woodpecker. I have buzzards flying up over here. So they've been hunting all day in this area, and it looks like there must be something off over there that's dying. Buzzards. For the Ivory Bill Woodpecker. It's out here somewhere. I've seen it. And we're dragging it now. We've heard it. And we've seen it. So now we're dragging